Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel today. Question 17 is about magnetic force acting on the proton. So look at here, the magnetic force is caused by the electron moving in the conductor. So first of all, electron moving down, so the convention currents go up. So by right hand grip rule, you know that the magnetic field circulating around the current in this direction. So on this right hand side, the magnetic field is into the paper. And then the proton is moving to the right, so it represents a current moving to the right. So by the left hand grip rule, F, B, I, B into the paper, I to the right. What is the thumb? Yes, the thumb points upward, so the magnetic force points upward. So it is up the page, so the answer is B. You got it? Well done.